Welcome back everyone. Today's vlog is all about avocados with two exciting recipes, a Japanese avocado seafood salad and avocado deviled eggs. Quick, delicious and perfect for any avocado enthusiast. Let's dive right in. First thing first, we need to boil a few eggs. Grab 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and add them to a bowl. Once the eggs are boiled and cooled, peel them, slice each egg in half and gently scoop out the yolks into the bowl. Now, blend everything together until you achieve a smooth, creamy filling. This mixture is going to be the heart of our avocado deviled eggs, combining the richness of yolks with the freshness of avocado for a truly delicious twist. Now comes the really fun part. Transfer the creamy mixture into a piping bag and pick your favorite tip. With a steady hand, carefully pipe the filling back into the hollows of the egg whites. This step is where your deviled eggs start to look as delightful as they taste, with each egg cradling a smooth, flavorful mound of our avocado-infused filling. It's all about precision and a bit of artistic flair here, so take your time and enjoy creating these beautiful, tasty treats. Let's glide into our next culinary adventure, the Japanese Avocado Seafood Salad. First up, take 2 avocados, carefully slice them in half. With a spoon, gently scoop out the avocado meat. Now let's add the seafood to our avocado. I'm using shrimp for its sweet, delicate flavor, but feel free to get creative with your choices. Other great options include crab meat, scallops, or even octopus for a truly authentic Japanese touch. Next up, let's bring in some green peas for a pop of color and a sweet, fresh taste. Add a dollop of mayonnaise to bind all our ingredients together, creating a creamy and cohesive mixture. Now gently blend everything, ensuring each component is evenly coated with the mayonnaise. To give our Japanese avocado seafood salad an attractive presentation, I'm using scallop shells as little serving dishes. These shells are ones I've saved over time. Now let's carefully scoop our mixture into the scallop shells. This not only makes for a beautiful display, but also adds a touch of elegance and a nod to the seafood theme. Before we get to the final step, let's preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While we wait, season our Japanese seafood salad with salt and pepper to taste, giving it that final flavor boost. Once the oven is hot and ready, carefully place our scallop shell dishes inside. Set the timer for 10 minutes, and that's all there is to it. This quick bake will meld the flavors together beautifully, making our seafood salad even more irresistible. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed these recipes, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!